Hello everybody, Micah Outdoor Living. Got another little Tuesday tip for you. I'm going to try to do this holding the microphone and the camera myself. I wanted to show you the Tuesday tip of just a simple little bar, basically a use of space that you can do in your outdoor living space. I'm going to turn the camera around right now and let you see what I'm talking about. Here we go. Little area out as we go to this really cool fireplace area, and we're going to turn it around. It has a TV and then has the built-in barbecue. But look at what we did here. We have just two sets of stairs, but you can just, out of just a little ledge that we have there, we were able to just create a little cute bar top. So really think about these kind of things when you are designing your space, how you can utilize and maximize the space really to create destination and purpose. So look at that. We just have this little stairway. It goes up, but we are able to create just this little cool bar. And it just maximizes the space and really adds a whole nother layer, another destination to that space. And it turns, and first of all, we have just this little store-bought bistro set that is super cute. And what it does is, and I'm going to show you just the space here, is it just adds a secondary little area for you to kind of hang out and go out to. But you see this space, and we're going to shoot some other angles of this to let you see just how convenient it is to have this little bistro set right here, and really gives you another little destination. So there's your Tuesday tip. I hope you like that. Try to turn the camera around to say goodbye to you. So if you have any other questions, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.